adding a live stream to WordPress is not just pasting an audio link. If you want reliable playback, correct song titles, and artwork that updates properly, you need to connect the stream in the right way. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it with Shoutcast or Icecast. Start by collecting the essentials from your streaming provider or control panel. You need your main stream URL, the server type you're using, and, if you want titles and artwork, metadata endpoint that your provider supports. In ProRadio, you can choose from many server types, including Shoutcast, Icecast, Sonic Panel, Radio.co, Live365, and others, so you can match your setup instead of forcing a generic configuration. The fastest way to add your stream is through the radio channel. When you install the theme and import a demo, a channel is usually already there. Open it, replace the demo stream URL with your own real one, and then choose the correct server type from the dropdown. Save, then test playback on both desktop and mobile. That server type selection matters, because providers expose stream and metadata in different formats. If you're on Shoutcast, select the Shoutcast option. If your stream URL looks like a proxy link or includes parameters after the word stream, you may need a type that handles metadata automatically. For Icecast, select Icecast and enter the stats URL, which usually has an endpoint ending with /status-json.xsl. Other platforms like Sonic Panel, MediaCP, RadioJar, or Live365 also have their own dedicated types in the same list, and using the correct way saves you a lot of time and troubleshooting. After saving, do a real test. Don't just press play for 5 seconds. Listen for a few minutes and watch the song title update. If the audio works but the titles don't change, usually there is an issue with the metadata. Some older Shoutcast version 1 setups don't expose metadata in a compatible way. In that case, use the automatic fallback option or check with your streaming provider to confirm what metadata format they support. One more thing that makes a radio website feel professional is continuous playback. ProRadio can keep the stream playing while visitors browse across pages. If your player stops every time you click a new page, check that continuous play is enabled and make sure both the theme and your key plugins are up to date. Once the basics are working, you can fine-tune the experience. You can enable artwork display if your provider delivers album covers, or switch to proxy mode if cross-origin restrictions block metadata access. If your streaming platform has specific requirements, follow the provider guide. It usually takes minutes, but it makes everything more stable. If you follow these steps, your stream won't just play. It will update titles correctly, show artwork when available, and feel like a real live experience on your website. If you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button, and come back to pro.radio for more. Thank you for watching.